Hey everyone, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on Mend It Now. Mend It Now started as a regional handyman service aimed at helping homeowners make essential repairs. Though you can find lots of different contractors and an assortment of services online, Mend It Now specializes in helping people find a handyman. This relieves you of having to wade through a sea of contractors and service providers that offer things you don't need. Online quotes are simple and easy to get from Mend It Now, allowing you to compare prices to make sure you're getting charged fairly for the job. And their online portal makes it a breeze to submit a payment. However, though Mend It Now does have a vetting process for their handymen, customers have had concerns that the process may not be as thorough as other services, and some customers have reported that customer service is difficult to reach by phone. Bottom line, while Mend It Now may not be the biggest service provider when it comes to handyman apps, many customers like the small business approach they provide with a variety of services, easy to get quotes, and simple payment methods. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.